This is the 2007 Forest River Lexington. It's a C-Class motorhome. It's 29 feet long, and it has 3 slide-outs. This unit also has a King Dome satellite, a gas generator, and a 19-foot patio awning. Has a 4-speed automatic transmission, in-dash AM/FM CD radio, leather captain's chairs, the AM/FM CD DVD player, the leather sofa bed, convertible dinette, the convection microwave oven, 3-burner range, it's a 2-door Dometic refrigerator freezer, there's a shower with glass surround and skylight. And here we have a private sink and vanity. Here's a raised porcelain toilet. Plenty of cabinets and drawers and closet space for clothes.